everyone, I hope you're having a lovely morning, afternoon, or evening. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a normal bun. Now, there are many ways to do this, but I typically like to use a twist approach. Long story short, I'll be putting the hair up in a ponytail, twisting the ponytail, wrapping it, and bobby pinning it. So all you will need for this tutorial is a brush, a ponytail holder, a mini elastic, and some bobby pins. Now, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Now, what you want to do first is brush your hair, because since this will be a neater style than the typical messy bun, we want it to be as sleek and as nice looking as possible, so it definitely helps to brush your hair first. Then, once you've brushed your hair, you'll put your hair into a typical ponytail. So what you want to do once you have your ponytail is separate that ponytail into 2 equal parts. Once you have those 2 equal parts, you want to put one strand over the other. And go back and forth, keep doing that, essentially twisting your ponytail. And once you start to get to those smaller parts, it definitely helps to use your fingers a little more. And once you get to the very bottom, you can just twist the ponytail. Then you want to grab one of your little mini elastic rubber bands. Put it just on your thumb and your pointer finger and make a tiny little ponytail at the bottom there, just to secure the twist. And once you have your twist secured, it's gonna unravel just a bit, but it'll keep its main twist part because of the rubber band. And then what you want to do is you can even turn your head, look in the mirror, and you want to twist that twist again. Then you take it and wrap it around the base of your ponytail. Then once you have it secure, you take your bobby pin, and I like to use a little method. I sort of slip my thumbnail in between the bobby pin, and I use my other fingers to sort of open it up. Then you stick the bobby pin in, turn it to the side, and just slide it in. And it really helps to pin the bobby pin right where the elastic is. So you continue pinning all those other loose hairs, and then any other parts of the bun that you want to secure that look a little loose to you, feel free to pin. And there you go. Once it's secured, you are all good to go. Alright, and that is how you do a typical bun on yourself. And now I'll be showing you how to do a typical bun on someone else. So what you want to do first is gather the person's hair all up in a ponytail. And once you've done that, then you split it into the two parts and do the twist. Then once you've got your twist, you tie it together using a small elastic. And you can twist a little more and then wrap it around their head. Now with this doll synthetic hair, it's a little hard, but you just wrap it around the head, and any loose ends you pin. Like I said before, it's a lot easier to pin it immediately right where the elastic is. And then from there you go around pinning the rest of those loose hairs. And don't be afraid to tell your person to move their head down or to the side, whatever you need to make it easier for you to do that style in their hair. Alright, and there you go. That is how you do a bun on someone else. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something new. And if you liked this video, feel free to drop a like. If you have something to say, feel free to leave a comment. And if you liked this video so much and you want to see even more, feel free to subscribe. I hope you have a lovely rest of your morning or evening, and I will see you in the next one.